जय हिंद साथियों, सबसे पहले गैलेक्सी डिफेंस एकेडमी को इतना सारा प्यार देने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद। मैं बता दूं, फेज सेकंड में शानदार रिजल्ट देने के बाद, फेज फर्स्ट का शानदार रिजल्ट देने के बाद में गैलेक्सी डिफेंस में चल रही है फेज सेकंड की जोरों शोरों से तैयारियां, जहां मोर देन 40 स्टूडेंट्स आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर फेज सेकंड। मींस दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर ग्रुप डिस्कशन एज वेल एज दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर देयर फिजिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड एसआरटी एंड ऑल अदर टेस्ट लाइक डीएफटीज एंड ऑल। सो मैं आपको बता दूं, ऑलरेडी दे हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ लॉट। बहुत सारे टॉपिक ऑलरेडी अपन डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, बट अभी राइट टाइम है उनकी तैयारियों को चेक करने का, किस प्रकार से डिस्कशन होता है। उन्होंने बिल्कुल प्रैक्टिकल तौर से तैयारी की है, उसी का नुमाइना आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे। हम गैलेक्सी डिफेंस एकेडमी के प्रांगण में रिंगर्स। यस, नेक्स्ट।
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Lakshman Sutar. I am from Jodhpur district of Rajasthan. I have completed my intermediate education in 2022. Currently, I am pursuing for BSc Part First and also preparing for defense services. My father's name is Mr. Pannalal Sutar. He is a carpenter, and my mother's name is Mrs. Asudevi. She is a homemaker. We are two siblings. I want to join the Indian Air Force because it is a respected job in our society, and it also provides me some perks and facilities. Moreover, a better chance to serve my motherland with pride and honor. Now I would like to represent a short presentation on the given topic, which is based on love marriage versus arranged marriage. First of all, what is a marriage? A marriage is a bond of two couples and also a bond of two families. Like, marriages are in two types. First, arranged marriage, and second, it is love marriage. Arranged marriage means the marriage which is happen by our family members, and in love marriage we choose our partners by with ourselves only.
That's great. Clap for this boy. Clap for this boy. Okay. So आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये वो बच्चे हैं जो ऑलरेडी तैयार। मैं आपको बता दूं, ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर इक्वली प्रिपेयर्ड। सभी बच्चे एकदम प्रॉपर तरीके से तैयार हैं। जैसे कि मैं आपको एक और नुमाइना। यस मिस्टर यू, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Hello everyone.
Hi.
My name is Dipender Singh and I am from Sirsa district of Haryana. I completed my higher education with 79% in 2021 and currently pursuing BSc Part 2nd and also preparing for defense services. My father name is Mr. Mohan Singh and my mother name is Mrs. Singita. My hobbies are playing outdoor game and solving puzzles. I want to join the Indian Air Force because it is a respected job in our society and it provides me some perks and facilities. Moreover, a better chance to serve my motherland. Now I would like to represent a short presentation on the given topic, which is based on love marriage and arranged marriage. First of all, I want to tell about the marriage. The marriage is a part of the essential part of our life that we can choose our individual by our family members and by our individual. And
that's great. Clap for this boy. Well done. Well done. Yes, anyone. Now आपको बता दूं, मैं राजस्थान के या देश के हर हिस्से से अपने पास में बच्चे हैं। जैसे अभी इन्होंने बताया, हरियाणा से अपने पास में एक बच्चा। अभी मैं आपसे पूछूं तो आप अपनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट बताना, राइट? Whenever I ask you, yes, where are you from? कहाँ से हो बेटा?
Rajasthan.
राजस्थान से। कहाँ से?
Sikar से.
सीकर से। आप कहाँ से हो?
Sikar district.
से। आप कहाँ से हो?
Sikar से.
सीकर से। वेरी गुड। आप कहाँ से हो?
सीकर.
सीकर। वेल डन। आप कहाँ से हो? झुंझुनू। वेल डन। आप सीकर। देखो आप देख पा रहे हो। यस, आप कहाँ से हो बेटा?
जोधपुर से.
जोधपुर से। आप देख पा रहे हो, even every part of Rajasthan there are students who are preparing for. Yes, Mukesh, where are you from? Sikar. That's great. Introduction में तो जयपुर बोल तुम। अच्छा, you. That's great. So अभी आप, without wasting much time, we would like to start our discussion, and the topic is love marriage versus arranged marriage. Yes, start the discussion.
I am talking about the topic which is given to us, arranged marriage versus love marriage. First of all, I want to talk about marriage. What is marriage? Is the bond of two souls, and in my opinion, arranged marriage is better than love marriage because in arranged marriage, all family members choose our life partner, and our family member knows well what is good, which is best for our life, and the family member don't want to destroy our life. They and
That's great.
arranged marriage is the best.
One by one. Yes, you.
based on formats wise, we can say that the two types of marriage is love marriage and arranged marriage. In the love marriage, we can say that they know each other well, and in love arranged marriage they don't know each other well because before the marriage they less time before.
He wants to say that in love marriage we know the partner very well before the marriage, and we can understand that what they think, how they think, and what they are like, what they don't like. Yes, anyone next? Yes.
Something about this topic.
Yes.
Marriage is very beautiful part of every person's life. Every person do marriage for enjoy their life. In this time, two types of marriage are present in our society: love marriage and arranged marriage. Arranged marriage, in arranged marriage, our parents choose our life partner, but in love marriage, we choose our life partner. This time, arranged marriage is very profitable in our society because many parents are poor in our society and poor on society and.
I want to say something that arranged marriage promote the dowry system and and they are in this love marriage that is no dowry system. So according to my point of view, arranged marriage is better than love marriage.
He wants to say that love marriage promotes dowry system and arranged marriage promotes dowry system, and in other hands love marriage is issue. What do you have to say, anyone?
And I want to say something. In arranged marriage, our partner is chosen by our parents, and our parents don't want our bad everything, anything, and they want our good thing for always, and they support us for our better life. And if there is quarrel between couples, their parents are solve this matter. Thank you.
Yes.
And I want to add something extra. Marriage is an essential part of life. In marriage is a bond not only to couples but also to families. In marriage, a couples not only understanding physically and mentally understanding but also mutually understanding. But also mutually understanding. Thank you.
Yes. Former speaker, and I want to add something more. That we all know that marriage is a bond between. That we all know that marriage is a bond between two hearts and two souls. But in a arranged marriage is becoming a contact between two families. We all have to know that we have spent our life with our life partner. So it is very important that we know very well of our.
Okay, next, anyone else?
Former speaker, and I want to add something. In my point of view, the love marriage is better than arranged marriage, because in love marriage there is no expenses in love marriage, and in arranged marriage there is so many expenses like for eating foods.
So as you can see that बच्चे बोल नहीं पाते और अपने वाले रुकते नहीं है, बिकॉज दे आर दैट मच प्रिपेयर्ड, उस लेवल तक की तैयारी है कि हर बच्चा किसी भी टॉपिक्स पे एटलीस्ट 5 पॉइंट्स बोल सकता है. सो यस, एनीवन एल्स? नेक्स्ट.
As we see that in love marriage there are many problems nowadays, and in arranged marriage if any problem comes to the marriages, I mean in any couples, then the family members help them and support them. Thank you.
Yes, well said, my former experience. I want to add something. The love marriage the arranged marriage promotes to caste image, because our parents choose our same caste and same caste.
Well said. He wants to say that arranged marriage promotes casteism and religious also, because India is a secular country. We cannot see such kind of things. So what do you want to have? Want to say? Yes, anyone?
I think in the direction of religion, then the love marriage couples face many problems, like they done their worships in different manner. If we think in right way, then this marriage also improves secularism in our current country, and prove our country like a right secular country.
Yes.
But I want to add something more. In the love marriage, they have mutual understanding between each other, and they can live their life with
Marriage is a lifetime partnership between two souls. In love marriage is individuals, their partner, their own choice, and they love each other, and they marriage doing their without consent their family and parents, and the arranged marriage are doing their parents are decide their future.
Yes, my friend, arranged marriage is great than love marriage, because in arranged marriage couples parents wants to meet the possible, and each couple happened to get their future in their time.
Yes, and you said marriage is the part of the marriage promotes only, but it is many disadvantages, like it is in care dowry system. Marriage promotes only, but it is many disadvantages, like it is in care dowry system, untraceability, and others. But other things we are.
Yes, Mr. Yuvraj wants to say something. Yes,
sir. Love marriages are better than in arranged marriage, because love marriages are better than in arranged marriage, because love